everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing how I fry my onions in the air fryer with just 1 teaspoon of oil. So here I have some thinly sliced onions and I'm heating it on high heat in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes depending on the strength of your microwave. Next, add 1 teaspoon oil into it and mix well. So if you're new here, welcome and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you like this video, make sure you share it with your friends and family. So now I'm loading it into the air fryer basket and spread it around a little bit so everything is nice and even. I've set the temperature for 200 degrees Celsius and the timer for 15 minutes. Once it's halfway through, open the basket of the air fryer and toss it around a little bit so everything is evenly browned. Once it's done, you can take it out of the basket, and here you have nice and crispy fried onions using just 1 teaspoon of oil, and you can enjoy it guilt-free and add it to your favorite curries and garnish biryanis and other dishes. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you, and until next time, bye-bye.